Welcome back to the MeasureSquare multifamily tutorials. This video, we will walk through how to snap your rooms together and turn the individual rooms into a complete multifamily floor plan. Now, let's drag and connect all of our rooms together and then add in our other objects such as doors, cabinets, and dividers for transitions. To move your room, start by tapping on the room to select it, and then place your finger on it and drag across the screen. You will see green highlights as you bring rooms closer together, signaling that they are going to snap to each other and that they are perfectly aligned. A green dot will signal that all the corners are snapped. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and tutorials for all MeasureSquare products.